Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's Empire. We have Karim here, our guest who visited Marwa, and all of us here, we are queuing to get a present. We are going to get a raffle. Yeah. So, Karim came with, I think, 7 GoPros. He has already given them out. So we are fighting for 1 GoPro and 1 bag. So it's gonna be 1 yes for the bag and 1 yes for the GoPro. And I've decided I want to be the last one. The queue is too big. Can you see the demand of GoPro? The demand of GoPro, guys. Everyone, all these are creators, they want to get GoPro. I pray. I am just here trying my luck. So, on this line, I want to be the last one. Because,
what's happening here?
So, Mr. Karim came with a lot of GoPro. I think there were 7. He's already given out all of them. So we have one GoPro and 1 bag. So we are voting for the yes for the bag and the yes for the GoPro. And I want to be the last one in these lines so that I believe I might be.
You guys have to be optimistic.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
Let's see. So the papers are here, guys. So I'm gonna tell you if I'm the winner or not. Huh? You guys, I'm the last one in the line. But if you have a GoPro, why are you in the line? We are buying for a GoPro. To get 1 yes for a GoPro, and the other ones are 0. If you're here, you have a GoPro. Why are you in the line?
wow, yeah.
You're reducing the chance.
Why?
So let's see, guys. Let's pick the papers and then let's see who is going to get the GoPro. Guys, have you seen the demand of GoPro in the village? All these people are creators, you see? They have given out 6. Hizo zingine zishapewa. See, being asked.
Kuna nini hizo GoPro ndio zinagombana na watu.
GoPro moja.
Na ni karatasi siko moja.
Yeah.
Na hizo nyingine ziko na 0.
Yeah.
Na forenio. Sasa ni baadhi yake.
Alex got the bag,
Guys, you won't believe it. Alex got the bag. Didn't even know he had won the bag, but he won the bag. Big surprise for me.
Congratulations. Unajua boss amekuita mara 3. Alex, speech.
Danny, I'm very happy because I didn't know this. It's only my boss sent somebody to call for me. I was there with my cows there. That's why I have come, but I already have 1 year back.
Guys, the bag has gone. We are raffling for the bag and the GoPro. The bag is gone. Now we are waiting for the GoPro. All these people, you see, all of us, we are going to pick a paper. Whoever wins the GoPro is theirs. But I'm praying. I've been praying, guys. I've even told Marwa several times. If I get a GoPro, if you get extra GoPro, I need 1. But it is what it is. Let's pick the paper and see who will win the GoPro. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Guys, the time is now. Everyone is picking a paper for the GoPro. I think it's a GoPro 9.
You got it, man. Usizalie mtu. Just leave with you.
The game is over. Let's say congratulations to her. She doesn't even have a mom. She doesn't have a dad.
Wow.
I pay her school fees, you know.
Guys, the girl that won is Marwa's one of the dependent who Marwa pays school fees, and I'm super happy for her. Congratulations. So guys, people are still queuing for more gifts. This is another line for the chocolate, the candies. So Peter, the candy. It's another line for the candy. I think everyone is going to get the chocolate. Everyone is here.
Okay, with that knife again. It's somewhere there.
Is it a knife? Slowly, slowly.
Hey, what's up?
Are you giving your passport?
Slowly massage. Machete. What will be the
Masai walks prepared guys.
Slowly, slowly.
I think it's
Just the paper, not the plastic.
yeah, this now. That one.
Masai with the passport. Guys, Anastasia just told us a Gopro. I feel like we should open her YouTube channel right now.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
My PA will do that. Yes, please. It's just Google accent. When this video will go out tomorrow,
Yeah.
we will put the link. Check Anastasia's here.
Yeah.
Mr. Karim.
Yes, Mr. Karim.
001, I think.
001. Masai now is using the name. How do you open this without the knife?
Mr. Karim's channel is here. Mr. Karim.
Guys, that was Karim. All those gifts again.
Yeah, it's ready. Higher. So please, one, you walk outside. One, you go out. Even you. Out, please, out.
When you go through the door,
Out of the door, please. And we have a camera. If you repeat,
This is how they look.
looks. Actually, this one goes in.
A lot of sugar. How are you feeling, Ian, after getting a GoPro?
I'm feeling blessed, happy. Thank you, God.
I'm optimistic mine is coming.
Yes. Every silver cloud has its own lining, or what? How does it go?
Yeah.
Every cloud has its silver lining.
I have seen we have a lot of demand for GoPro. I was number 55.
Number 55.
So we have demand for GoPro, 55 GoPros, guys. If you're watching this video and you think you want to bless the village, I think the best gift will be a GoPro. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Amazing. Ian got a GoPro, Irene Jerob got a GoPro, African Village Cook T got a GoPro. That was so amazing of Mr. Karim 001.
my camera is turning off. It's very hot.
Yeah, give it like little bit.
Like 2 minutes. Guys, it's very hot. Wow. So, whose channel I wanna give a shout out? This is Mercy Empire.
Yeah.
This is Mercy Clothes. At the same time, also, we have a bag. Alex owns the bag. Thank you, guys. If you're watching this from the US or anywhere around the world, I want to say thank you for your presence. One thing I would say is for sure we will share this presence. Not everything Marwa. We will share. Yes. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to Mr. Karim. Alright. And here, who's Lady Lynn, thank you so much. No joke, guys. It's packaging. And I want to say, if I come to Uganda, I will visit you. Thank you. Yeah. If I come to Uganda, I will visit you. And please don't fall the business guy. I like the fact that you don't want girls right now. That will help you. Because if you mix business and girls, tell my friend. Yeah.
But someday you need to get one, man.
Yeah, one day.
This is the...
Yeah, of course, man. All right, which other camera? Which other camera? This is yours, Mercy.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Mercy Empire. Please support her YouTube channel if you're watching from Marwa. Thank you a million times, guys. Yes. So on behalf of Tanzanians, I want to say thank you so much. Karim Sam.
Asante sana.
Yes,
Thank you so much, brother.
Actually,
Happy to be here.
on behalf of Uganda,
Uganda?
Yes. It's recording? Yes, recording. Yes, guys, hold this for me 1 minute. Guys, on behalf of Ugandans, I want to say here in Kenya, we love you so much. Thank you, we are all one Africa. Yes, thank you so much. You don't know what it is. Please open and see what is there. Looks like a machine, I don't know what it is. No, I already, chocolate. Yeah, but once you get this. Actually, the ones who do this are the most spoiled. What is this?
It's like fork.
Fork.
Forks and knives and all
Wow. I think there is a name here. Open.
No. This is a soft delicate. Open it with care.
Open with care.
This one here.
Wow.
So Madame Monsieur, go ahead with this.
One person has to see. Yes. I am underscore here. Because I'm supposed to enter it, but it's not in the way it is.
Okay, it's plastics. There is fork, knife, and spoon.
You want to open this?
50.
I think there is. Yeah, it's open. Wow. This is for the visitors. We just want to show everything that we received. Wow. Thank you. Inabidi ukaze YouTube kama ukaze shauri yako. I'm telling them they need to put YouTube at their front line, otherwise YouTube will pass you. Wow. Thank you so much. You can see them now. Let's open the next box. African village should take this.
Okay, let me just hold it.
Wow. Engineer. Yes. What is your word?
I'm so amazed because actually I can see things dropping at my watch and people are getting gifts because of the YouTube. There are so much
Masum, how is your YouTube?
My YouTube is so fine.
You know, if you work hard, you'll be the next man.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
You see when Mayuguno, I receive one, Mayuguno receive the other.
Yeah.
That shows you if you work hard, you ask with that possibility.
Yeah, hard work please.
I say, how are you working hard?
I'm trying my best actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, and I can see what you are receiving. I'm also impressed.
Yes.
Yeah, so nice.
They say open with care. What is
Yeah.
this? Is it a knife? No?
Kind of like fork.
Okay.
Maybe it's a
They are also forks. Wow. Melanie. Wow. This guy is saying well. What means what the name? Guys, we don't have magic. The magic is this small camera. And every day filming, every day working hard, no shortcuts. And when I log on a camera, honesty. Wow. If you've ever used aeroplanes, they give you this.
Is
What
that
one
knife
leg?
sharp?
It's the knife sharp.
Is the knife sharp?
Try it in your hand.
Yeah, that's right.
This is
No.
You need to fly on your own hand.
Okay, I think there's one more box, or it's missing wrong.
Yeah, there's another thing up here.
Okay. Those are sweets. Let's give everybody around here, they enjoy. Yes. Now what can we say? Mayuguno, I wish Uncle Mo told me who sent them. You know Uncle Mo didn't tell us. It had a name? Please check.
No
check.
name, maybe at this side. No name.
But it's from the US, I think.
No name.
No, there's a name here. Check. Was there a check for us?
Should be outside the box.
Should be outside the box.
Address.
Oh, we don't show the address. Just read, ma'am.
Yeah, they show that.
Also the name.
Nelly. Okay, Nelly. It's Nelly. Wavinya, Awina. Yes, from Nelly. At least we got the name. Nelly, thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Asante sana jamani. I want to end this video here. Hey, let's say goodbye everyone for my video.
So we're going to give this to everybody?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Karim. This dance is for you. Thank you for glamming the village with gifts. Thank you for even buying a lot of GoPros to give in the village. We truly appreciate. You guys kindly subscribe to Karim001. Thank you for watching.